Hi, good evening. Good evening. Thank you sa nag-thumbs up. Thank you. Oh. Hello guys. Hello. No one watching me. Just like. Thank you for the likes. I believe
Makes perfect moments. For expert eye care, state-of-the-art facilities, affordable eyewear. Go to EO. EO Executive Optical for your eyes. Hola amiga, ¿cómo estás?
How are you? Hi, David Rodrigo. Thank you for joining. Thank you so much. Paalam. Nakagab! Gab! Your comment team deleted. Why you to delete? Why need to delete your comment? It's bad. Why need you delete your comment? Tim. Why need to delete your comment? I figure you saw them already. Good evening, idol. Shout out watching from Cavite. Hi, Jerry TV officials. Hello. So what if I saw already? What's done? What's wrong? It's weird. Oh my god. Ti amo, Bibi. Ti amo, Bibi. Bibi. Ti amo. What means ti amo? What is I think it's allowed. Ti amo. Thank you for the 5 people watching. Thank you. Ti amo. What is that? Ti amo. Spanish language. Hi guys. Ah, how are you guys? Me, I'm fine. It means I love you, baby. What language? Spanish? Spanish language. Yeah. Spanish, Italian, or I'm fine. Thank you. Thank you guys for joining here. Yes. Thank you for 5 million thumbs up.
Estado, sa totoo amin po mga kaibigan, nagbalik na po ang kuryente dito sa NTC server. Kagabi po, 60% na ang expected total box ang natila. At lamang na lamang po ang approval pang ng Pineco.
Bumalik ko man. Umikot man. Okay, I think it's time to wear the bikini top coat. No. You know I'm not sexy. My God. I'm skinny. Just the top. No, I don't like. Ma. I don't like. Never mind. You know what? So many or dark men. You know, you if a dark man join here, I know you will block him. So what's the point? So no need to play it. How's your foot feeling? It's fine. If I do that, so many flirting. So that's not good. It's not good for me. And some is flirting rude. Flirt. Etiquette talking plan. So they all fly everybody anyway. Mini Filipino no, they will join the battle. Not only foreigner but also Filipino. Some so much room. I don't like that here on the channel. But here choice that. If they like me, who I am, I really appreciate. If you don't like me, it's fine. It's okay. Doesn't matter. I really appreciate those people who like me, and I will do my best to make the good content. So I need to find it the best from the channel. Gab! Aram mo nagla-live ako, maribukong ka. Yep. Yes, he finishes so much. Hi, Insan. Just passing by while I'm on break. Hi, Insan. Kumusta? Kumusta yung scammer? Gigil pa rin ako. Yung mga paniwala na which are this. What is your arm pisor? Arm pisor? What means? Okay naman, Insan. Scammer pa rin. Karma bitch. Sana makarma. Charot. Bahala na ang to sa kanya. Walang nakakaligtas sa maling gawa. Laging may balos. Chat, what is your work? I hope so. Yes. Okay. Sabi nga, kung gumawa ka ng mabuti, mas yung balik sa'yo. Kung gumawa ka ng mali, same thing din. Lalo na yung ginawan mo ng mali is mabuting tao, wala namang ginagawang mali sa'yo, mga ganon. Naku, malala yung I'm a dialysis technician team. Diba, naalala ko dati, nag-join siya, wag natin bigkasin yun kasi maaraman niya yan to na ano, na yato ako pero dito sa saro na ano. Nadumduman ko yan to na nag-join siya sa ano ko, diba? My God. Di ba may naikwento ka dito na nagtatrabaho ka sa yun. Tapos sabi niya, ano yung daan niya para makaistorya ka. May kamanghod kuno siya ng dialysis. My God. Tapos ano ko noon mga ano na gamot. Di ba parang naalala ko yun eh. Parang yun yung way niya na ano, makaistorya ka. Si Cheryl talks this way because she doesn't want you to know what she talks like this. Oh my God. That's not like that, Tim. Oh my God. Oh my God. Nag-miss pintados ka ba, langga? Ano yun? Top English. Okay, I need to move on this guy. We met the man. Change topic. We talk about this, but you said before need to move on, so we need to do that. We need to talk about this again. The liar man, the liar. Remember the liar man. Yes, and son, I'm just trying to help. But never mind. Change topic. Yes, change topic. But we're still talking about it. I just remember. Oh, sorry. Just remember that. Good evening. Hi, May. Ouch. Just remember. Remember to say that. But we're still talking about it. Okay, fine. At nag-alisan yung nag-alisan sila. Who's the one? Oh, you then they leave. Then you leave also. Who's the one? Stay. Thank you for the one people who stay in my life. Thank you so much. Thank you for the likes. God bless. I think I only want to stay here on my live because I'm watching my own live. One people. But you're still talking about it. Sure, so the analysis technique the people come every day. So, Meeting my heart the night harbor. I won't forget the taste of the kisses your lips on my lips. Yes, Tim, our patients come 3 times a week for 3 to 4 hours a day. Yeah, okay. Monday, Wednesday, Friday, and Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday. Alternate, no? Alternate the days. I might have to do that soon if my diabetes gets worse. Diabetes. And affecting my kidney get bad. Ang sakit na natarama para lang sa'yo aking sinta at hindi ibig sa iba. Mas maraming yes, and some girls only one day didn't come. Their fluid will be elevated, but it depends on their diet. Okay. May thesis didi sa di na nag-high blood siya, tapos so nag-diet siya, nasobrahan ang diet niya. So nagbabaan niya, ang insulin. So parang nanan siya parang mali pala ng sobrang diet kasi maapektuhan parang diri na siya nag-balance niya sa lawas niya. Can't imagine anything else new. Can't imagine anything the two of us can do. Through the years, you never let me down. It's all my life around. The sweetest things I found with you. Just be very careful on your dieting. You will be alright. Just make sure you take your maintenance as long as your creatinine is okay. You will fine. Oh, thank you, Insan sa advice. Yes, and so nowadays kidney failure, yes, so much. Same here. That's why we need to monitoring here the patient here. More cases of illness here in the most here in Brazil. Diabetic, kidney failure, yan. 3. Diabetic, kidney failure, and hypertension. Maraming more cases na here in Bicol province. That's why the monitoring this the lifestyle. Iba na pa noon lifestyle ba ganiyan, more on na hindi na healthy lifestyle yung kanakain. Dapat the important organic foods. So nito na diet, I eat everything. You need to diet, balanced diet. Thank you for the 7 thumbs up, everyone. Thank you so much. Organic food, I hate this nasty. Organic food, I hate the taste nasty.
Magpapatuloy talaga niya ang negosyo.
Why? You need to learn to eat that organic food like fruits, vegetable. Me, I like vegetable and fruits. I can survive no rice. Just I have fruits and I like root crops, kamote, sweet potato, cassava, banana. Ouch, you need to take care of your diet. Make sure your blood pressure is okay. Yes, you need to do it. Not too high, because combinations of diabetics and high blood pressure will damage your kidney. That's right. Very agree with this. This kind of more cases here, and that's why they need to monitor uh, uh, more cases, kidney failure, diabetes, because the uh, more dialysis patient here. So need to need to balance life. Need to change the lifestyle to because not like before the lifestyle before is very simple organic people they like that want to eat but nowadays more preservatives food. Oh my god, Tim, you need to be healthy. Please.
Basta magtiwala tayo kay Tanggol. Kapag
Love this way again. What? That's correct, Char. And my blood pressure is off the chart. I don't take all my meds. Oh my god. I don't. Oh my god. You say to me that I need to follow this, but you, but you did not. I don't do a finger stick to check my blood. Finger stick or the blood sugar. My blood sugar is like in the 400 at times. I think the blood sugar normal is 400. 400 I think or no, 250 something like that. It should be around 150. Just have a check your blood once in a while. Just try to monitor your creatinine and blood pressure if you're diabetic. Yes, because you step on track attack. Yeah, because you step on attack. Oh my god, I step on attack. Without you. In my heart I need. Wow, Kim, that's too high. You don't have any maintenance for that. Oh my god. Make sure you take care of that. That's not good. That's too high. Oh, ah, what's the normal, of, the blood sugar, I think. What is the normal, You need to, and it can infected easy to you to need to the medication so it won't get infected. Okay. And it can yes I supposed to take my insulin but I didn't. Oh my god, you need to You need to take care of yourself, team. You need to be healthy. I think balanced diet. Try to eat organic foods like vegetables, fruits. I think not all fruits is good for like diabetic. Some fruits are more uh, sugar. Like mango, I think mango is not good for diabetic person, diabetic patient. The mango, the selected foods can eat the for diabetes, having a diabetic patients. I just take all the medications. You will be fine. Just always monitor it and have a checkup once in a while. But everything is about your diet, yes. I eat a big, oh my god, I eat a big chocolate bar yesterday, yummy. God, you know, my god, don't eat don't eat the big chocolate, just preserve the chocolate and when you marry, just give me. I need to eat na. Pasko kay siya. Oh my god, it's raining now. My god. I was saving it for Subrain to share, but it was calling my name. Huh? It's called chocolate coiling your name. Tim, can you eat me na? So I ate it. What the name of chocolate? I beat him. Yeah, see, sure. Just save it. Just share. You will be fine. Save it, Sam. Save it. And give it to me, baby. Save it and give it to me, baby. But I maybe that chocolate Toblerone. Toblerone Hershey's. What else? Hershey's. Cadbury. What's the name of the chocolate? Toblerone. I'm saving something else for you to give you. Yes, thank you. Thank you for the chocolate advance. Thank you. Hershey's. Oh my god, I forgot the Hershey's. Oh my god, Hershey's. The Hershey. It's not chocolate. It's not chocolate, the Hershey. It's not? It's not chocolate, the Hershey. What I'm saving for you? The chocolate. Oh. Oh my god. No, it's something else. I'm saving. Yeah, what? There's something else. But seriously, be careful on your diet. Kidney failure is not good. I saw everything already, so please just be careful. Yes, you need to be careful, team. You need to be healthy. Here, having a herbal leaf, good for diabetic patient. But I know you can drink it. It's okay because it's so bitter. Bitter. That taste is like so bitter. Bitter. something else is saving. I wonder. I wonder what is that. Saving your love. You need to save your love for me. I found the love. How long is your break, Char? How long is your break, Insan? Flash. Oh, 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 oh. 30 minutes already the break time. Okay. Ano ngayon? Tuesday. Okay, Tuesday. But I'm sleepy. Ako din. Lalo na ako, sleepy talaga ako. Sleepy, moody. Sleepy ako. Antukin. Antukin talaga ako. Kaya yung pag may break time ako, ay, nalalaan ko talaga sa... Nalala ko sa... I remember when I was working in Manila. Oh my God. No time to gala. And, because after work again. Overtime. Mood is fine. That's us. Yes. It's normal now. Parang ano, parang it's very time to be an employee, no? I'm thinking what a business I can build. I don't know what is it. Don't you will be here? Don't you? Okay. Thank you. I don't you will be here. Okay. When I go there, we visit my cousin. Yeah, it's normal. Yes, me, I'm tired, super working 10 to 14 hours sometimes. Oh my God, I'll just make it me feel. So if I go there, if I will go there, I need to work to, yes, because for helping you to earn money. I can work, I can earn money, even just a little, I can help. Yeah. Thank you to those who gave that boom boom boom. Don't think about that thing. You will be fine as long as you monitor your diet. Yes, you need to monitor. And I think you need the monitor the blood sugar. Yung inaano dito, yung masakit. You need to do. I can do it for you. Just to monitor the to your creatinine. You can do it too. You will. You can do it. Need to, nope, I don't do my finger stick to shock my blood. Yes, you need to do it. To check your blood pressure, to check your blood sugar. Check out. Yes, you need to do it. And yes, and sad team, if my cousin is with you, she can take care of you. Yeah. I can take care of you. Yeah, I don't do it. Why? How are you? How are you doing? I'm fine and I'm doing do live and I do live now. Hi, I'm Nora Ranasinga. Kamusta ka po? Hi, it's Lexus. Okay naman po. Ikaw po, kamusta? I'm fine, ex-Lexus. You, how about you? How are you? I am good, salamat po. You're always welcome. Sana insan huwag na magparamdam yun, no? Yan na naman tayo, naanano ka na naman. Iwasan na. We need to avoid that, ano. Go, my people. I will be back. Gotta make the phone call I told you about. Okay, go ahead. Yes, and some, but I'm so grateful to God who protected me and not allowed me to drown by that person. Oo nga eh. Huwag natin hinahayaan. Yes. Siguro it's a sign para malaman natin kung it's an early sign, no? To know that person that we need to avoid that person. So, tama lang talaga yun. Na malaman mo maaga pa kasi napaka-toxic talaga. Toxic, narcissist, manipulator, scammer. Nagigigil ako. Nagigigil talaga ako. My God. Hindi ko na siya mahanap doon siguro. Na block na. Blinak niya ako or bahala siya. Konsensya na yun. Konsensya na yun niya na yun. Kung meron siya nun. Kapal mukha. Kapal lang.
Gusto ko palagay under monitoring somewhere. Wait. No. Okay.
Sign na mag-iingat at huwag magtitiwala basta-basta. Tama. I don't think may konsensya yun. Yes. Sign na, yes, tama yun, insan. Huwag basta-basta magtitiwala. Never natin nagagawin ulit yun. Kasi yung tiwala eh, alam na alam nila eh. Kung mauutukan nila eh. Kung alam nila na, ay, mabait tong taong to, hindi to gaganti sa akin, wala, hindi to, ganun sila. Ano sila na nagaano din sila eh. Na alam nila yung mga, bro, yun mo, ang yabang niya. Sabihin pa niya, doon ako na ano siya. Doon niya ako napawaw sa yabang niya. Dami nagkakandara pa ng mga babae sa kanya. Ganon. Gawain, I think gawain niya na yun. Tama. Ano siya eh. Nambibiktima talaga siya. Doon ako na bad trip na, ang dami nagkakandara pang babae sa akin. Yung mga ganyan, marami siyang na ganun. So, bakit sa pipitsugin? Ganito lang, kumbaga gusto kong sabihin na bakit masama katulad natin sa mga ganyan na ano, parang ganun ba? Bakit ako? Di ba, mapatanong nga, bakit ako? Muntik na mabuti na lang talaga marunong ang Diyos na muntik na tong taong to. Ang ganda-ganda ng pakikipag-usap mo, ganyan. Friendly tayo eh, maano tayo eh. Kasi tayo, hindi tayo gumagawa ng mabuti sa kapwa natin. Kaya, yung intention natin, yung pakikipag malinis. Yung pala sila, iba pala yung pakikipag mabuting may bad intention pala sila. So, reverse sa atin. So, sabihin nila, hindi sila takot na gumawa kasi alam nila mabait to, hindi to gagawin. Hindi nila alam na darating din ang panahon na kahit hindi man natin gawin yun sa kanila, na mas pa yung magagawa nila, makakahanap din ng katapat. Yes, insan, 100%. Makakahanap din ng katapat. Sana lang, wag niyang, ang magiging katapat pa niya, baka mas malala pa sa kanya. Kaso magagaling din yun. Pero hindi naman nagbibigay sa binibigyan din parang ng Diyos yan na para magbago. Pero kapag tinuloy-tuloy ba nila yan, bahala na sila dyan. Yes, indeed. I'm just hoping and praying that napakabait mo talaga. Wala man akong ang sobrang bait. Kaya minsan okay lang na magalit. Kaya naalala ko nung dati noon, sobrang maunawain ko, drug ako eh. Iniintindi ko lahat. Alam mo yun, na kahit sobrang sakit na kailangan intindihin kasi pero magiging malamani ka rin eh. Magiging matatag ka sa sobrang sakit. Maano ka din eh. Sana huwag na maulit-ulit. Kasi may sarap sarap talagang birahin mo. Ang yabang. Nayabangan ako sa kanya. Ang kapal ng mukha. Diyos ko. Pera sipat baga. Butet, ganun. Burat. Kasi doon nagdabang din naman siya eh. Sabay ba ganun niya. Ang dami ng nagbabae, may mga professional pa, ganun. Wow, sa itsura niyang yun. Wow, galing niya magano. I'm just hoping and praying na wag sa mga anak niya bumalik ang karma. Kasi wala naman silang kasalanan ng tatay nila. Nope, never again. Yes, tama yan. Pero, kaya nga, hindi man nila maramdaman yun. Kaya nga dapat, iniisip nila, yung mga mangyayari, hindi nila alam yun. Yung mga tao talagang ganun, no? Oh my God. Para konsensya. Ang babae, ang pagiging talaga, no? Yung pagiging talaga, wala talaga din naman sa mukha, no? Kapal talaga ng mukha. Kakapalan na ng mukha to. Alam mo kung sino pa talaga yung wala namang karapatan talagang sino pa yung lakas ng loob. God. Lakas ng loob. Kaya nga, kaya nga insan ay ko dito at dito, mayroon din dito. Kaya, may ilan-ilan din dito sa Bicol. Grabe, mag-iingat talaga. Ingat ka sa ilang Pilipino. Yan, ilang Pilipino, mga ganyan. Kami, talaga, yung mga ilang Pilipino. Pero naman ako, nakilala, na-meet mo naman yan, di ba? Doon sa doon si kay Gavin, tapos dito kay wala ako problema. Buto nito sa'yo, na wala. Pero may didi sa Pilipino na wala kang anay danon sa imo. Wala nang anay danon, aba masumbat pa. Wala ka na nga ni sin maganon. Aba, may pambisyo pa. Wala na nga ni sin makaon. Besyo pa. Samantalang yung baga, iniisip nila ang pagbuhay. Doon, di ba, iniisip nila mabayad sa bills. Hadok nga sila sa responsibilidad kasi, hadok nga sila sa responsibilidad na mag-commit agad kasi iniisip nila yung bills. Mahal sa bills pa lang, di ba? Mabayad sa, parang iniisip nila, dede, nahing, halos wala na nga ni Manong, may pangsugal pa, wow, may pambabae pa, no? May pangsugal, may mababae pa. Wala man trabaho si Matanos. Paano nila na may mga ganon? My God. Tapos hambog pa, may di pa naman ito mga chicks. Oh my God. Only in the Philippines. Na, ang hirap talaga, oh my God, marambubong pa na nila, mga chicks nila, ganyan nila, mga babae, naging babae ko to, tangin mo. Kaharambog. Kaya ingat minsan, yung sabi ko sa inyo, ingat. Lalo na may mga telling story, mga malaalam kaya, mga malupitang matatamis na salita, ang mga hiwa na rin. Tapos blackmail ka pa nila para magtugot ka. Ngayon, kaya ingat. Sa susunod, okay lang na wala sin karelasyon, basta may peace of mind. Okay lang na di lang ang kaibigan, basta wala masyado na apektuhan na nato peace of mind na natin sa okay lang. Kapag kasi dito, madaghan na barkada mo, pero hindi rin marang kung sila sa iyo. Hindi mo sure. Baka pagtalikod mo, naglibak-leba ka na. And then siya, makana itong teklan ito. Buti sana kung hindi rin mo naaraman. Kasi naaraman mo din na, ay, ang ganda-ganda ng pakihampang mo. Tapos, behind your back, oh my God, dami pa lang sinasabi mo. Real talk, real life. Okay, sa kaibigan pa lang yan, wala sit aside pa yung pamilya. Sa pamilya, real talk talaga, pag wala kang maibigay, madamot ka, lalo na pag naaraman nila ng mayon-mayon ka. Di ba nila naisip na you need to save your own kasi nagpagal ka man, naghirap-hirap ka din. Tapos pag wala ka na, diba? Dili ka pa naman successful ng God. Kumbaga, nagbabatog ka pa lang. Tapos parang, ang hirap yung mahirap kapag yung umihila din sa'yo pababa is diri man, di ba sa imo. Makulog, malain sa pamato. Never. Kaya go lang, as long as wala tayong ginagawang mali. Nowadays, may mga lalaki na talaga na naasa sa mga babae. Totoo, insan. Kasi iba mga babae nga, may independent talaga yung mga babae ngayon. Na talaga yung mga babae ngayon. Gabriela silang baga, mga matatapang. Yayabang pa, kala may naiambag sa buhay mo. Now, may trauma na ako. Never again. It's better to be single. Yes, it's better to be single. Yes, and it's hard to trust nowadays. Few friends is fine. No need to have a lot. Tama. Alam mo si Tim, wala siya masyadong kasi siguro siya, busy siya sa negosyo niya. Hindi siya mahilig makipagkaibigan. Siguro na ano lang sa kanya as occasionally but pero yung sa irog baga sa ato ha di mo mga Pilipino baga mas baraman yan yung pagbaragat type rin mo man sige lang oh para medyo na lesson learn na rin ako sa may yung mindset ng ano kasi inisip mo yung kailangan mag-save ng kwarta di man sa nagaano ka kasi kailangan naman, okay naman, i-enjoy mo yung buhay mo, okay naman maging mabuti ka kahit wala kang masyadong friends. Kung gusto mo tumulong, yung extra money, pwede mo maitulong. Pero yung as in, yung konti na lang, tapos ilalagay mo pa sa, kahit para lang masabi na mabuting kang kaibigan, you need to be pakisama na may marami napapabayaan mo na yung mas magaling ka pa sa barkada kaysa sa pamilya, napabayaan mo ang mga anak mo, may obligasyon ka. Minsan nakabala ka na sa ibang ano, hindi siya maganda na hindi pala ganun ka. It's okay, okay lang pala na ano, maganda talaga yun, may namimit ka na para medyo na din, may nalalaman ka sa buhay. Good evening, Manay. Hi, Adam. Kumusta ka? Mostly naman ganun minsan. Dito ang mga lalaki, di ganun kadami ng friends. Oo, kahit walang masyadong friends. Few friends. Pero yun, may peace of mind sila. Wala man silang kasi you don't care about your bills. Work for your own bills ka nga. Pay your debt. Bayaran mo yung utang mo. Parang ganun may iba kasi dito didi padaraghanan sa utang. May arawan. May arawan, may lingguhan. May kinsenas, may buwanan, my God, nakaka-stress. Minsan little advice, pag dito ka na, madami ka makikilala. Just be very careful sa mga magiging friends mo dito. Be selective kasi you will see what I mean. Yes. Thank you, Insan. Thank you. Salamat sa advice. Medyo a little bit, medyo may pagka-introvert din ako. May mga kaibigan na pero hindi ako nag-i-stay sa crowded na tao. Minsan, more on nag-iisa ako. Kasi may peace of mind ako pag nagsusulod. Kaya ako ayun, nasanay rin ako. May ako, mas ako na mag-isa. Kagaya niya, naubos yung oras ko dahil solo lang ako. May kaisra naman ako, pero mag-isa lang. Parang medyo, ganun talaga siguro, sign of aging lang siguro na mas better na okay lang naman mag-isa. May kasama ka na, kontinwaran mo man. Parang, gusto ko yung may peace of mind, matulog ka, wala ko masyadong iisip na. Kasi pag marami kang sa buhay, marami kang pakikisamahan. Ang dami. Nanguntinwar ka. Sasabihin niya? Para medyo, kita kasi, makontinwaro. 2 or 3 friends are enough. Basta true sila sa'yo. May ilan lang friends ko, tama. Naalala mo yung dati? Yung nakwento ko sa'yo. Okay lang. Kasi dati naman, di ba? Wala naman akong walang-wala naman talaga ako. So, kung naging friends mo ako dahil sa may nagkaroon ako or nakinabang ka sa akin, wala, okay lang. Pero kung ngayon, hindi mo na ako napapansin kasi wala ka nang mapapala, okay lang din. Walang no big deal. No big deal for me. So, better to, tama, pag mas maraming gossip. Tama. Okay. Tama naman talaga. Thank you for the 9 thumbs up. just ignore them. Some people just go with you. Go with you kasi may benefit sila sa'yo. I saw it bad nowadays. Pag wala ka na, wala din. Just nothing na. Kasi wala ka na may bibigay. Tama. Tama yan insan. Totoo yan. Kasi parang, may experience ako na parang unforgettable. Pero yung ginawa nila, never ko yung gagawin sa kanila because sabi ko sa sarili ko, ipaano ko sa kanila, hindi ko galin yung galing mo. Magkaiba tayo. Share ako at iba yung personality mo at magkaiba tayo. Parang ganun yun. Ikaw yan eh. Hindi ako magpapakasama ng ugali sa'yo dahil sa ginawa mo. God knows what the best for us. God knows naman kung anong ginawa mo. Ay, ang dami tumatry na tayo, pero yun yung trials siguro sa Diyos na kainukuhan nato. Siguro na parang hindi tayo mabago. Yung faith natin as a person, yung personality natin, babaguhin tayo ng karanasan. Pero the lesson learned is just stay who you are. Kung ano ikaw, siguro is just stay strong lang. Whatever happens. Yes, and never go down sa level nila. Yes, tama. Just strong. We don't need to change because of them. Sila yan. Iba tayo. Bahala sila. So I guess just saying I'm not good enough for her. No, I'm not. Say that. My cousin say not that. Oh my God. Paliwanag mo nga insan. Na you're misunderstanding. You misunderstand. Na misunderstand mo yan sinabi mo. Never. Yes. Indeed, insan, just stay who we are, whatever bad things people to do us. Yes, insan. Yun yung challenge din sa atin. Some people trying to make us bad. I'm sorry, we are talking about other people doing bad things with us. That we don't need to go down on their level. That we need to stay who we are, even though they do bad things to us. She can stay single if she wants after all. You think it's better to be single? No, you're misunderstanding. Oh my God. No. Oh my God. Hindi ko naintindihan. Sorry, Tim, you didn't misunderstand. If she is not happy with me, she can go. Oh my God. I'm talking about me, Tim. That I'm better to be single. No. Yes, we're not talking about me and you. Oh my God. We're talking about I don't force her to do anything. You misunderstand him. Oh my God. You misunderstand him. Not, not Tim. It's not about you. It's about me. So sorry, Tim, for misunderstanding. We shouldn't talk about it. I'm so sorry. It don't matter. I don't mean to have you as a conflict about our topic. I'm so sorry. You misunderstand, Tim. Oh my God. You misunderstand. We talk about here. I don't mean. Oh my God, Tim. What's happened? I would love to meet you. I'm coming to the Philippines soon. Mario Morant. Hi, Mario Morant. Where are you from? Mario, she's taken. Out na ako, Insan. Back to work. Sorry again. I feel bad. I apologize again, Insan and Tim. Okay lang yan, Insan. He misunderstand. But it's okay. We talking about you and because your experiences. Maybe he misunderstand. My from Washington, D.C., United States. Ah, okay. Nice to meet you, Mariam Morant. Just told you. Okay. Ah, okay. Need to go inside. My patient are waiting for me now. Take off time. Good night and have a good day, team. Thank you, Insan, for joining here. Thank you so much. Have a good day. Take care. God bless always. Thank you. Sure, Maya is trying to talk to you. Yeah. What she said? I told him what she said. Hi, Mario. Okay. Bye bye. Actually, speak. Bye bye, guys. Love you all.